I've downloaded Clipchamp and put it on. I've got it installed on my PC. I've got a Windows 11 PC. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can work with Clipchamp online, where you can register for free. So if we go on to create a new video, it says good to see you again, so tap on there. I'm just going to import any old video. So if I tap on import video, where it says your media, and I use this video. So, and then I go on there to open. You can either click and drag it down or add to timeline. Get rid of all these advertisements. So up here I've got various options. I've got to crop. I can crop it like that. That's not aspect ratio. I will tap on done and move it out. This is just for demonstration purposes. So now I've got it there, I can go to size. And this is not cropping, this is aspect ratio. So that on there it says change aspect ratio. So as you can see, there is no custom size. So if I change the size to a different size, vertical, I can move it around with my mouse. Then when I'm ready, I can go up there to the top right hand corner, tap on export and export it however I want, because so I can export it. I normally do this at the highest quality that I can, and then you can save it to wherever you want. On here you can select to save it to Windows if you want. You can save it to your computer. There you go, save to your computer. So that's the video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. You'll see the link at the end.